going to teach differentiation chapter from standard 12th. So let's see some basic important formulas for differentiation. So let's start with derivatives of some standard function. Okay, f of x and f dash of x means the derivative of the functions. Okay, so let's start. If we derivate a constant with respect to x, if we derivate some constant, we get 0. So this is the first basic formula for differentiation. Okay, now moving forward, if we derivate x raised to n, we get n x raised to n minus 1. Third, root of x. If we derivate root of x, we get 1 upon 2 root x. If we derivate sin x, we get cos x. And if we derivate cos x, we get minus sin x. Okay. Now, if we derivate tan x, we get sec square x. And if we derivate cot x, we get minus cosec square x. The derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. And the derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x cot x. So these are the functions, these are the derivatives. How to remember this signs? I'll say you. If the alphabet starts with C, then the derivative will be in negative. Okay, remember that. Now moving forward, derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x log a. Okay, moving forward, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. For log x, 1 upon x. Now let's see some derivative of trigonometric functions, inverse of trigonometric function. Sin inverse of x, we get 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. And for cos inverse of x, we get minus 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. 15th formula. Tan inverse of x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Cot inverse of x is minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Similarly, sec inverse of x is 1 upon x root of x square minus 1. And for cosec inverse of x, we get minus 1 upon x root of x square minus 1. Okay. Now let's see some basic formulas. If in case we have to derivate a function such as a raised to x plus b, the answer for this is e raised to ax plus b. If we derivate a function like sin ax plus b, we get a sin ax plus b. Now let's see what are the rules of differentiation. Suppose consider if u and v are a differentiable function of x, then if we get a function y is equal to u plus v, then the differentiation of that function will be d by dx of y is equal to d by dx of u plus d by dx of v. Means we have to differentiate u and we have to differentiate v. Now next formula is y is equal to u minus v. Then dy by dx is equal to du upon dx minus, because we have minus in our function, minus dv by dx. Now the next term is product. Y is equal to u dot v. Then we have to keep u, the first function, outside, and we have to derivate the second function, that is v. After that, plus we have to keep the second function outside and we have to derivate the first function. So our answer will be u dv by dx plus v du by dx. Okay. Moving forward, y is equal to u upon v. Then we have to keep the second function outside. In terms of division, we have to keep the second function outside and we have to derivate the first function. Then we have to put a negative sign. Now we have to keep the first function outside and we have to derivate the second function divided by v square. Remember that this we have to apply when we are doing the differentiation of a division. Okay, and in terms of multiplication, we have to keep the first function outside, and in terms of the division, we have to keep the second function outside first. Okay, remember the difference between this both. Okay, now note that while derivating the by division, the v should not be equal to 0. Please note that. Now the last formula is y is equal to ku. K is nothing but the constant. Then the differentiation of this function will be, for y it will become dy by dx is equal to, we have to keep this constant outside. We have to keep this constant outside and we have to derivate the function of x, that is u, du by dx.